Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode of Will It Fit, we are moving on to Christmas. Today we're going to see if we can get the Home Depot 8-foot Santa to fit inside this 170-gallon Husky Tote. So stick around and let's find out. So I've tried multiple ways to get everything to fit into this, and this is the only way that I can get the Santa to fit in there. And it actually fits. Everything but the metal frame that it stands on, but the inner support pieces will fit inside the tote. But basically I've got the body laying face up, and I've got one of the boots pointed down there, and I've got one of the arm, or is this a leg? That might be a leg. It's part G. I think it's a leg. So I've got one of the legs, part G, sitting here. Got the Santa face right there, facing in towards the body. Underneath the Santa face, I have the lamp post and a shoulder piece, and then the two shorter arm pieces are below that shoulder piece down there on the bottom of the tote. And then I've got this other leg piece here with the boot and the closed fist under it. And then I have the other palm that waves at people. So it stands up in the air. I've got it facing like that, kind of laying across the top of the body. And that's how it fits in there. And doing it like that, the lid goes on no problem. You just have to store the frame outside of the box, which is fine because I couldn't get the stupid frame back in this box anyway. Here's a shot of everything in the tote. It's below the tote line. And here it is with the lid on. The lid fits nice and flush, and that's without it being latched down. But there you have it. I guess it fits. I'll see you on the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on the video. It helps get my videos out there and reach a wider audience. Thanks again, everybody.